Derby, birthplace of Britain's first factory, central to our industry, yesterday and today, and future home to great British railways. Home to Alstom, Litchurch Lane, to 150 years of train building, to world-leading design, engineering and innovation, to future rail manufacturing. Trains with more than just Britain built in. Trains built on generations of dedication, pride and an enduring belief in the UK's rail future. Trains that help put the great in Great Britain. Trains for the UK and export. Trains designed in Derby, engineered in Derby, built and tested in Derby, supporting UK jobs, UK skills and UK businesses. Here's to the next generation of engineers, building the next generation of trains, connecting the country for generations to come. From everyone at Alstom, thank you for your support. Here's to the next 150 years.